Such a sense of peace and calm and presence sitting in the stand. The contrast of the blue sky and red leaves is so beautiful. Everything is fine. Everything is going to be fine. Fire of the heart burns up all egoic concern. Fire transforms, reduces to elements that can be made into a new order of peace. Light as opposed to darkness. Rise out of our darkness into the light. Destruction of what is heavy, dark within us. Grounded, weighty, here. My brain feels heavy. I don't want to think. Free from the fetters of heaviness that hold us back. Redtail Hawk calls. Everything will be all right. The opposite of survivalism. Restfulness, rejuvenation, reset, purification. It will come out all right in the end. What is being? What is lightness? There is no past, future, have to. Only presence. Shedding, releasing, open, grounded, timeless. No urgency. Mind drops down into the heart. Relief. Centering. Middling. In sync. Betwixt and betweening. Ordering. Structure. Form. Balance.